The Air Force actually convicted someone of using Ambien, even though they had a valid prescription for it. Hey, I'm Cody Harnish, UCMJ attorney. Today we're talking about a case that just came down from the Court of Appeals of the Armed Forces, United States versus Airman First Class, Navarro, Aguirre. Now, this airman had trouble sleeping, so he did the right thing. He went to a military doctor. He was prescribed Ambien to help him sleep. The next day, he took the pill as prescribed, one pill. He went to sleep, but he woke up behind the wheel of his own vehicle, partially dressed in his uniform. He had hit a lamppost, and he was in a lot of trouble. Now, sleepwalking and sleep driving are actually documented side effects of Ambien, but instead of treating this like a medical incident, no, they charged him. They charged him with reckless driving and wrongful use of a controlled substance under Article 112 Alpha. Why did they do this? What was their reasoning for charging him and saying it was wrongful to take prescribed medication? Well, they said he took it too early in the day. He hadn't slept in a couple of days, and he took it at 2:30 p.m. and went to sleep. He didn't have work for the rest of the day. That was the reason they charged him, apparently. After being discharged from the military and being sentenced for over 2 years in confinement, his appeal finally came back today, and they have overturned the case for the Article 112 Alpha, wrongful use. The court said, no, we're tossing this conviction for wrongful use of the controlled substance because he was taking a valid prescribed medication. The court reasoned that the government, pointing to the time of day, the fact he was wearing a uniform, and the fact that he had pharmacy paperwork in his car was not proof beyond a reasonable doubt that it was wrongful use. Remember, in order to be convicted under wrongful use of a controlled substance, Article 112 Alpha, whether it be marijuana, cocaine, ecstasy, or even Ambien, they have to prove wrongfulness. And the government did not meet that burden here. We all know the military will criminalize anything. This case eventually was a win for this individual, but it's sad that it even got this far in the first place. Like, share, comment, and follow for more information on military law. And in the meantime, I'm going to be right here defending America's defenders.